All right, in this video, we are going to connect Slybroadcast so you can drop those ringless voicemails for you just before, during, and after your event, however you choose to fit to use them. But we've got to get it connected first. So this is how. So I'm going to go over to integrations once you're logged in. And over into add integrations, you can go up to the search box and just start typing in the integration you want to add. Here with Slybroadcast, we're going to deliver the ringless voice messages. Click on Add Integration. If you're using more than one, you want to make sure that you identify it so you connect up the right accounts to the right timelines. So let's use here and connect. This one's going to be US type. And then here, like I've said before in other videos, if you've got a spreadsheet going or so, fill it out. That's blacked out to hide the information that I have there. Fill this out, and then you just go up and copy and paste your information if it's an OAuth 2 like this one, or with iContact, you have the APIs and the hash keys and all that stuff, and that's what's hidden over here. And then you're going to want to copy in your username and password as well, and click continue. And now it is connected. You can go down and see where it put it right here. If you want to just test the connection, you can as well. So if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and click the bell notification so you are alerted each time we upload new content to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.